Hello everyone, welcome in Abhinav group of education. Big update is there about the 5th standard and 8th standard scholarship date has declared now. This exam will conduct now on 22 February 2026. Still, for 4th standard and 7th standard scholarship exam date has not declared, but maybe it is a possibility this exam will conduct in a May month. So now we will talk about the 5th standard scholarship. The 5th standard scholarship exam, it is a merit based exam and it is a great platform for those students who show their ability and they can earn financial aids also for their further study. This exam conducted by Maharashtra State of Council of Examination. So now about the registration. So many parents has a question where we have to go for registration and how to do register. So don't take tension. School will provide you forms. You just have to fill up and attach some documents just like 2 passport size photos, parents Aadhaar card, student Aadhaar card xerox and joint bank account passbook xerox. You just have to hand over this document to school and remain process school will complete. So no tension about it. So let's talk about the exam structure. So there are 2 papers for a scholarship exam and each paper has lasting 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is the exam structure. For a scholarship student, you should have to prepare 4 subjects for the scholarship. First language, mathematics, third language and intelligence. We students belong from Marathi medium or semi-English. For themselves, first language is a Marathi and third language will come English. But we students belong from the English medium school. For themselves, first language is English and third language is a Marathi. So look at there. For English sake, 25 questions will there and 50 marks. Means for English sake student have to solve 25 questions and total marks are there 50. Same as that, second subject is there, mathematics. In a mathematics, 50 questions are there and total marks are there 100. Means in a first paper, student has to solve each questions 2 marks are there. So total questions are there 75 questions and total marks are there 150. Same just like a first paper, second paper also, third language and intelligence. For the third language, mean Marathi, 25 questions are there and total marks are 50. And fourth subject, intelligent is there. In an intelligent, 50 questions are there and total marks are there 100. Means here also total 75 questions are there and total marks are 150. So now both papers marks are 300. So now student, we will talk about some importance point regarding to the exam. So first I told each paper 2 marks are there. Means so you have to solve 2 papers. First paper 75 questions are there, second paper 75 questions are there. First paper 150 marks, second paper 150 marks. Means total you have to solve 150 questions and total marks are there 300. So second is there is no negative marking system. It is a good for everyone. Means student how many questions solve correctly, according to that student will get the marks. Then no negative marking. Later than merit based exam. This exam is a merit based exam. Before it also I told it is a very good platform for you, for her. You can show your talent also, you can show your skill also and you can earn financial aids also for your further study. So now minimum 40% required in each paper for eligibility. Each paper minimum 40% mark want for the eligibility. Later than use blue or black ballpoint pen while solving the paper. It is a MCQ pattern. So while solving the pattern, student want to use blue or black ball pen or ball point pen. So while solving the paper, you can see just like this, you will get another OMR sheet and you have to just fill the circles. So while filling the circle, look it there, wrong method, correct method. Your students have to fill the circle completely. You can see it. Don't go outside of the circle. Don't go outside of the circle, or don't make cross, or don't make correct on the on circle, because many students are there in a hurry, they will circle it, and after some times they will realize what that answer was incorrect. I want to do correct answer. So later than they will circle it, and which wrong answer is there, they will do cross on that, and which is the correct answer there, they will do correct on that. But don't do this, because machine will not accept your answers. So we have seen about the very important points regarding to exam. Before it, I told you this exam is a merit based exam. So student, very less time is there. Don't waste your time. Be study hard. Give more attention for solving the previous exams. More solve the sample papers, because then only you will recognize how tricky questions are there, how you should have to handle the questions, how you have to do time management, because every paper you will get 90 minutes, and in that particular 90 minutes you have to solve two subjects, 75 questions you have to solve it. So just do the time management properly, then you can solve the paper easily. So student, while doing the preparation, first make a proper timetable. You know very well, for scholarship exam you have to prepare 4 subjects: Marathi, English, maths and intelligence. 4 subjects are important, but you have seen, means first 2 subjects, first language and third language, English and Marathi, there are 25 questions, means total marks are there 50. According to that, second subject mathematics and fourth subject intelligence, more marks are there, more weightage is there, because in a math and in a intelligence 50-50 subjects are there, means total marks are there 100 and 100, means you have to solve 100 questions and total marks are there 200. So first make a timetable properly. According to that, give a weightage for the times, how many times we have to give, how many, which subjects. So be prepared for that. Many tricky questions they will ask, so before filling the circle, read that questions properly. For solving mathematics you have to do more practice, at home also, in school also. And about the intelligence, many tricky questions they will ask. For example, I read one question, it was in a previous paper. So question was like that, you have to reach one mountain, you have to climb one mountain, the mountain height is 100 kilometer, okay, but there is a one rule, for reaching that mountain you have to daily you have to go 2 kilometer up, and again you have to come 1 kilometer down. So the question was there, for reaching that mountain, how many days do you want? So student, read question properly, one time again solve the question, and your answer write in a comment box. And every time don't search the shortcuts, because an investment in a future pays best interest. So student, keep studying, be healthy, be prepared for exam. See you soon.